Hey Brookstone,
Hi everyone,
my name is Robbie,
and I'm Aubrey, and
and this is Brookstone News, your official source of news for Brookstone. First up, we're going to give a massive thank you to everybody who came to our gala.
Seriously, it meant so much to us to see so many people there supporting our school.
And shout out to all the volunteers
The real MVPs.
that were setting up, organizing, and helping guests.
Making it look so easy. We truly are blessed to have such a great team of volunteers.
Absolutely.
We also want to thank our speaker, Colin Pinckney, for sharing and being a part of the night.
And everybody behind the scenes helping make this event possible.
If you helped in any way, you officially are awesome.
Let's talk about something very exciting.
Field Day.
That's right. Field Day is coming up, and it's going to be epic.
Like the summer kickoff type of epic.
But we need more volunteers to help it happen.
Field Day is on May 15th, and we'd love extra hands to help us run games and cheer us on.
And trust us, you're going to want front row seats.
Especially for the relay races.
But no need to be an Olympic level athlete to make it happen.
That's right. If you can volunteer on May 15th, please sign up. It's going to be a blast.
Now for some very important dates.
Get your calendars out, or just try to remember.
Winter break is coming up March 13th through March 16th.
That means that Brookstone schools will be closed.
And don't forget, spring break is April 3rd through April 10th.
When you come back, we cannot wait to hear all of your fun stories. That's all for today, Brookstone News.
Thanks for staying connected and watching everything going on at Brookstone Schools.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, Brookstone.